Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to redeem Xbox gift card online. So for that, first of all, open a browser on your PC and then open a new tab. There on the URL text box you need to type in xbox.com and press enter. It will direct you to the Xbox official site. Here, before you redeem the gift card, you need to make sure that you are logged in. Then here you need to click on the shop drop down menu, and from there you need to click on redeem code at the very bottom. Click on redeem code. It will direct you to the page where you will be able to redeem the gift card. So here on this web page, to redeem you need to type in the 25 character long code that is available at the back of your gift card. You type in all the 25 character correctly, and right after you type in the code, you will be able to redeem the Xbox gift card right away. So this is how you can redeem a gift card of Xbox. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates from Logging Aid for the similar videos.